Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you how I caught this trade from top to bottom trading micro E-mini Nasdaq. So I'm gonna show you what trade I took. I posted it on Twitter. So let's get started. Okay, so my entry was this gap. I was looking for shorts. I'm going to explain you why in a while. Okay, so I took this trade. It's not like high RR, but it doesn't always happen that you caught high RR, so that will do. Okay, so let's get started. Why I took this trade? So first, as you know, I always like to see the weekly SMT. That is one of my confluences. So as you can see, we had here from Monday to Tuesday failing to take a high, but on ES it took out, so that makes it a SMT. So yeah, so that was my, I think, main confluence to bearish for Tuesday. So yeah, first I look into this and see, okay, we are bearish. Then I go in the lower time frames, which is usually 50-minute. We go to the 50-minute. Okay. Then as you can see, we have another 50-minute daily SSMT. It didn't take out the high, London high, but the ES or Dow Jones took it out. I don't remember, but yeah. Okay, next is we have to measure our liquidity. So we have here 3 liquidities, one here, second, and the first one. So I usually like to leave some minis so I can get the full take profit. As you can see, it took out all the liquidity, even this one. But I didn't target this one because I didn't believe it would go down that low. So yeah, so I think, yes, I target this low. Okay, let's see. Now we have New York Open. I usually wait for the New York Open to act so I can see where my entry should be. Okay, next I go into 5-minute and I look for gaps or something to short of in this station. Okay, let's see. We had this gap, but I didn't trust it because it was already invalidated. So I looked for others. I think I usually use 50-minute gaps or 5 minutes. It depends on the trade. Okay, I think I took this one. Yeah, so I took this one. I wait for 9:30 to act, which it did here. It made a daily SSMT. As you can see here, daily SSMT between London and New York. Then also we had, as you can see here, we had SSMT on the 90-minute cycle, which proves us that it's very possible that the price will go down. Okay, so where was my entry? I waited for this 5-minute SMT to form and I shorted off of this gap. I chose 50%. I always target gaps 50%, so it's here 50%. I put my stop loss at the highest wick and I target the lows. As you can see, you could target here, here, or here, but I targeted this one because it looked way better for me to target. So yeah, That was my Tuesday trade. It's pretty simple. Oh, also I forgot to tell you about the precision swing point, which is also very powerful. So as you can see here, we have up close candle, 10 a.m. New York. So 10 a.m. it's my time, but in New York it should be like 3 a.m. I think. Yeah. So this precision swing point, why is it so powerful? Because it's a swing. As you can see here, it created weekly SSMT. So that is a good sign that it will be a powerful precision swing point. How precision swing points work? So you have up close candle here, but on the ES or for example Dow Jones in the index trade you have down close, which means it's a precision swing point. Also you can enter from that like this, but I usually don't do that because you get low RR, so it doesn't really worth it. But yeah, it's a good confluence to have to better your trades. So yeah, that was the one of the confluences. Also, we had multiple weekly SSMTs which indicated me to short once again, because on Monday I shorted here in the PM session. We had weekly, now we have another weekly, 50-minute and 5-minute. It's very powerful. That's why it went so down, took out the last liquidity we had here. So yeah, that was my trade. I think one of my friends got an entry of based, 1 second, based off 1 minute, I think, yeah. So he entered from this gap, as you can see here. He got a better RR. No, wait, not this gap, sorry. He got it from, where is it? I don't remember, but I think he got it from this gap. He waited for it to close down, which he did here. Then he entered from the 50%, put his stop loss on the high and targeted the same low. So he got pretty much the same RR, which it's pretty good in this bad price action markets. I tried to trade ES, but I just got break even because the price action was so choppy. Yeah, but on E-mini Nasdaq, I got a pretty good trade. As you can see, this is my friend's trade, and wait, and this is my trade. I took it from the 50-minute inversion. As you can see, we had here normal gap, inversion gap, which makes it a whole. It's very powerful. It's way powerful than any fair value gaps. So yeah, that was a good confluence to entry and target this liquidity. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will be seeing you tomorrow or day after. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.